Hey everyone, I hope your day has been going well, and I thank you lots for checking out this video. So, in this one, I'm going to be sharing some fun tips and tricks on creating your persona as I create a design with you. What is a persona exactly though? It is a personal depiction of yourself or an idealized version of yourself as an animal or creature. So, choose things that you enjoy while you're crafting your persona. When I'm getting started designing a persona, I always begin with an animal or creature in mind. This can be anything you'd like, so have fun with it. It can be a cryptid, fantasy creature, something real, or even some kind of combination. To find inspiration, think about an animal or you feel resonates with you, or simply go with your favorite. If you have an idea of what you'd like, but want to be more specific, you can look up what animals are within the type that you have in mind. So let's say you know you want a canine, you can look up a different species within that group. For today's example, I'm going with a fox. It is the most common chose animal within the fandom, but remember that that's okay. Just choose what you'd enjoy your character being. Don't let anyone shame you for choosing a common animal or even the opposite and shame you for being too unique. This character is for you. After choosing your animal, you can start to sketch them out, or you could find a base online if you aren't feeling like drawing or lack the confidence to do so. Do not be afraid to use references to help with your anatomy. Every professional artist would encourage you to use references when drawing. So here's what I drew for the example zona today. I personally prefer giving my anthro characters more fur than hair because I just don't like the look of human hair on my characters. But do not let that discourage you from giving your character human-like hair. You can add any kind of extra details you'd like as well. If you enjoy drawing, be sure you make this design something you wouldn't get tired of drawing quickly. If you do make it too complicated or too boring, you could lose connection to the character pretty fast. So yeah, just keep it to something that you know you will enjoy drawing over and over. So now that we have them drawn out, we can start coloring. Complementary colors that are super saturated are typically the nicest to look at, but there are no limits here. You can do anything you'd like. If you draw digitally, I'll just give you an example of my personal comfort zone of where I typically choose colors within like the saturated options. You see that circled corner there? That is where the most saturated colors will be. Um, I my personal comfort zone is within this section here. Hi, kitty. You're interrupting. You don't mind, do you? Okay. And with this character here, I went with orange, some different blues, and white. I I feel that these colors look really nice together, and they're always really fun to work with. I do want to let you all know that I plan on hosting a giveaway of the character that I made for this video. So comment down below telling me that you would like to participate in the giveaway. Be sure to just mention that anywhere in your comment. Before we wrap this up, I want to address some commonly asked questions about persona creation. How do I find inspiration? You can find inspiration anywhere. Your own experiences, favorite characters, songs, or other stories can all be amazing sources of inspiration for you. Just be sure to turn that inspiration into your own unique creation. Do I have to draw well to create a persona? Not at all. A written description of the character could work just as well. Plus, there are many bases online that you can edit and color in if you are at least a little bit comfortable there. Can I have multiple personas? Of course, you can have as many or as few personas as you'd like. Is there a wrong way to create a persona? There is not. Your personas are for you and no one else, so make them however you would like. And with that out of the way, this was just a rundown of how to create your persona. I know it's pretty short, but I hope this helped. Please feel free to share your creations with me by posting them and tagging me on social media. You can find, if I'm on there, I'll most likely be under the username Liminal Legion on, yeah, on anywhere. If you enjoy the video, let me know by leaving a like, a comment, or subscribing. Heck, maybe even do all three if you'd like. And remember to take care of yourself, drink water, have a snack if you haven't eaten in a bit, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.